Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now by updating the PS5 and confirming Warzone boots. This avoids connection errors later. Next, pick a VPN that allows router-level or shared connection setups because PS5 lacks native VPN apps. Once chosen, log into your router admin page and note current DNS and WAN settings. You'll need them for rollback. Make sure you have an Ethernet cable ready for stable routing and a secondary device to test the VPN before routing the console traffic. You now configure the router or host device. First, backup router settings so you can restore if anything breaks. Install the VPN profile per provider instructions or create a VPN-enabled hotspot from a PC. This is faster if your router doesn't support OpenVPN. Once connected, assign a static IP to the PS5 via DHCP reservation. This stabilizes NAT behavior. Then, set port forwarding for Call of Duty ports if your NAT becomes strict, because that prevents matchmaking failures and improves stability. You complete by testing. Boot Warzone and monitor matchmaking times, ping, and party voice quality. Different servers will produce different lobbies, so switch until you see the desired region. If matches fail or NAT breaks, restore router backup and clear the PS5 MAC and DNS lease, then retry. This often fixes routing glitches. If problems persist, switch VPN servers or use a wired connection. These steps resolve most connectivity issues and let you consistently join alternate lobbies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.